Hello and welcome everybody back to HotCuppaCrypto. My name is Jordan and we are having an exciting start to 2023. Jumping straight into the cryptocurrency market update, we have Bitcoin at 16,861, Ethereum at 1,252, BNB at 257. So they are all rising up and to the right here. As we can see, here's Bitcoin and here's ETH and here is the BNB chart over here, and this is what everyone likes to see, the charts going up and to the right. Now it is slowly. Pax gold token at the bottom here also rising. Jumping straight into gold, the markets, as we can see, we have drawn this uptrend. It was previously this, guys, on gold. So when over the past year, previously we had a long time where it was like a year and a half, the dollar having a bull market, and gold hit down to 1620. But now things have changed and the gold rally continues, and it is currently at 1833 off of its lows here. If you guys watched last week's previous update video, we did already warn you guys that gold would be breaking out, and look, it has in fact gone from 1800, which it was last week, all the way up to 1833 here. And I was talking about gold in that video, so go and check it out. And I have also been warning about this gold for many months, so I do believe that gold rally will continue, guys. And if we go all the way up here, can gold break its all-time high at 2075 against the US dollar? We will see what happens. The dollar is at 105.1. It had a little bounce today after the Fed minutes announcement this week. Jerome Powell has come out and apologized, the Federal Reserve Chairman, to the public. He has apologized because he can't turn on the money printers, and they are coming out very hawkish that they are continuing to tighten policy all through this year, guys. So interest rates are going up and continuing to rise. Don't expect anything different until we get any indication. Oil is at 73.6 per barrel, and then we do have copper at 3.8 right now. And even natural gas, guys, if you are wondering what's going to happen to your energy bills, just take a look at this. Gas is right skyrocketing. So yes, all energy bills are going to continue to rise. And what we saw last year was only just the beginning of inflation. Many people think inflation may be dropping, but we will see what happens and how it affects the dollar here at 105.1 this week. The pound is at 1.19 and the euro is at 105, looking relatively stable. We have the Japanese yen at 0.007 and the Swiss franc at 1.06. The S&P 500 minus 1.1, the Nasdaq minus 1.2%, the Dow Jones minus 1%, Russell 2000 minus 1%, the US 30 at minus 1%. So all of the stock markets are down. Let's check out the Nasdaq chart. It looks like it is about to break and make new lows. We did have Tesla exploding this week. Look at this, a massive dump. Everybody's losing their minds and the stock market is on fire, especially the Nasdaq and all the tech stocks. We have Apple, Netflix and Amazon all selling off. Follow us on the channel HotCuppaCrypto, guys, if you don't want to miss an update next time, and we'll be following what happens, especially the gold rally and coming up in the future weeks. The Bank of England has some new central bank digital currency wallet news. They are answering questions from the 20 crypto companies that have applied and tech companies for their CBDC after the Bank of England asked for a digital currency mobile wallet provider in the previous weeks. As we can see, lots of news coming about the UK central bank digital currency, and this affects the top ISO 2020 compliant cryptocurrencies, guys. You may have heard of this, and these are the 7 cryptocurrencies that are recognized as the ISO 2020 compliant. Which is 20022, by the way. So ISO 20022, which is this number here. Now, it's Quant. These are the 7 cryptos. Quant, which is a UK-based cryptocurrency. Ripple, which is XRP. Stellar, which is XLM. Hedera Hashgraph, HBAR. IOTA, and XTC Network, and Algorand. These are 7 of the most the biggest ones. However, there are actually many others, smaller ones that are up and coming here. The UK government and the Bank of England are looking to team up with one of these networks in order to so that these networks can launch their blockchains and networks on a global scale for the UK to create their central bank digital currency. And it's not just the UK, there are many other countries using these same cryptos. So keep an eye on those cryptos in the future. We could see massive potential. We do have David Charm, which is a CEO of a privacy-focused network developer, Elixir, and he developed the protocols that act as the basis of digital cash, DigiCash, for example, and eCash. David Schwam is working with the Swiss Central Bank to develop a central bank digital currency that could attract the crypto ecosystem due to its privacy features. He's named it eCash 2.0, and this new project aims to develop digital cash that would be basically private, inalienably private, and quantum resistant to counterfeiting. So antidote to the government spying on you and things like that. Since the technical details require a deep understanding of cryptography, which is what he is good at, he is working with the Swiss National Bank to develop their CBDC, so central bank digital currencies, guys, which are coming, a censorship resistant central bank digital currency. So the ones we are getting here in the West are opposites. For the example, in the UK and such, these are going to be highly controlled, highly manipulated central bank digital currencies that can control every single thing you do with zero privacy, and the opposite to freedom coming up. If you guys are wondering, the UK has already confirmed the launch of the UK CBDC pilot test program is going to be this year, guys, in June. So get ready, it is going to be nearly too late to escape the financial slavery system that is coming in the future. And if you guys want to follow us along, subscribe to the channel HotCuppaCrypto and turn on the bell notifications, and don't forget to save this video. This is two of the best crypto research networks. We have CryptoQuant, and on this we can see so many details, guys, happening under the scenes of crypto. So you must save this video immediately if you guys don't want to miss out on what is actually happening. For example, we can see exchange flows on here already. You can go through each individual exchange on CryptoQuant. You can actually see how much liquidity each exchange has and the funds backing it. You don't have to believe any of the exchange words for it. We have position indicators on here, stablecoin ratios, we have market indicators, estimated leverage ratios, so we can see how much leverage all the investors across the market are actually on. We have how much profit is unrealized in the market right now, so how many investors are sitting on profit or losses that they are waiting to sell. We have miner inflows, derivatives, market data and addresses, and fees and revenue. You can track everything, including network stats, supplies, blocks mined, and transactions in crypto. So if you guys want to research and become to become a mega research expert, then don't forget to check out this, as well as Glassnode. Glassnode is a really interesting one where you can see on-chain data, guys, from crypto. For example, you may see people talking about the number of crypto Bitcoin wallets and Bitcoin adoption. This is the number of active Bitcoin addresses that is rising ever since Bitcoin's existence, all the way back here on the chart, guys, in 2009. So we can see that over time it has been growing and growing and growing, and you can track this for yourself. And the Bitcoin price is overlaid on the top here, which is the white line. You can see how many people are sending Bitcoin, receiving Bitcoin. You can even see balances, addresses with 0, or addresses with more than 0.1, or addresses with more than 1k Bitcoin, or whales holding millions and millions of dollars worth of Bitcoin, if you guys sign up to their more advanced features. But Glassnode is a great website where you can see lots of interesting Bitcoin on-chain and also other blockchain activity here in crypto. So don't forget to save this video, and if you guys want to learn more crypto knowledge, then follow us on HotCuppaCrypto, guys. This is 3 good BNB chain DEXs, or decentralized exchanges. So save this video, guys. We first have PancakeSwap, where you can trade, you can swap your tokens in a decentralized way without permission, without using any exchanges. You don't have to pass KYC, you don't have to do any of these things. All you need is a MetaMask wallet or a Trust wallet. You can earn on here, you can get earn interest. They have competitions, NFTs, you can buy NFTs. For example, here are the farms where you can earn up to 36% on Cake, or on BUSD you can earn 8.5%. Down here they have all of these different types of farms for your favorite tokens that are on the Binance Smart Chain. Also they have these mega pools where you can earn ridiculous interests like 49.40% if you lock up your Cake for a fixed period of time, for example 42 weeks, and you can estimate your profit in here. We have BuySwap, which is another Very popular exchange on the Binance Smart Chain, where they have exchange features, swapping features. You can add liquidity to earn interest. You can do all of the things that you can do on exchanges, including trading NFTs on here and following news and updates on here. Pretty interesting. And then we have ApeSwap, and they even have their own crazy ape token. I can't remember the ticker name of that token. Oh, it's Banana. That's it. They have Banana token, guys, and you can see it down here on the bottom left. Usually it's just disappeared here, but yeah, we can see you can supply Banana on this lending network. You can do yield farms. You can do staking on here. And there's loads of other features, and they launch brand new projects. So if you want to get involved, you can actually be an early investor in new IDOs and stuff like that as well. Also, if you go onto the Binance Smart Chain on DeFi Llama, you can see all of the other dexes that are not available, that you can't usually see, which is like Wombat Exchange. There are some other ones here as well, like MDEX, Ellipsis Finance, even Baby Doge Swap, and all of these are being used and are in the top rankings here on DeFi Llama. So if you guys want to see more information about those dexes, then you can come to each individual one and then check out and monitor the information in real time. If you want to improve your crypto knowledge, follow us on HotCuppaCrypto, guys. These are 5 good crypto news sources that are constantly pumping out fast crypto update news. So don't forget to save this video immediately, guys, and you can use these tools. First is Cointelegraph. I absolutely love the graphics and the art they use on here, but they are constantly coming out with new articles. Look at this, 4 hours ago, 3 hours ago, 5 hours ago here, and they cover nearly every single topic in DeFi. So Cointelegraph has been around for the longest time. I have been using them and I trust them and use them a lot. Also, next we have CoinDesk. CoinDesk has like live crypto price tickers in the top, where you can see what is happening in the markets, and you can go down. You can actually go down and check out the latest news. They have constant live streams, and they even have a YouTube channel where they have live updates and news on their channel. So that's pretty interesting, and they have tons of articles on here. Then we have Crypto Potato, which is a relatively kind of a unknown one, or a more alternative one, we could say. But they have loads of news stories just constantly pumping out, as we can see down here. News stories about like every crypto topic. Once again, I see this popping up on my feed all the time. And a really good new crypto news aggregator is number 4, which is Crypto Panic. And this actually aggregates news from all of the news sources that we talked about and more, guys. So they have constant updates. Look at this. Even in the last hour alone, there has been 10 brand new crypto breaking news stories. So if you guys want to always be on top of the news, then this is also a good one. And then one of my favorites is actually Google News. So as we can see here, Google News is also a news aggregator where you can find news stories from all of the best crypto news sources and networks, as we previously mentioned. As you can see on here, I constantly use Google News. It is awesome for aggregating all of the news and knowledge in one place. And if you guys don't want to miss any videos and crypto knowledge in the future, subscribe to the channel. We also talk about new projects, old coins, and everything. So don't forget to follow us on that. So thank you guys for watching this video, and we will see you guys soon in the next videos.